YouTube, Ralph here again. For today's video I think I'll do a little bit of strip down on the Palitoy Merlin. So this is the other day, it wasn't working, couldn't get the power up with a transformer, couldn't get power with the batteries, although the lights did light up. So I'm guessing there might be something wrong along the line. So let's give it a quick going over. As I did there, this was my first proper handheld game when I was a kid. 1979 it was made there by Palitoy. There's the instructions on here. It was made in Colville in Leicester. Other way. Yeah, buy a transformer if you were back in 1979. Obviously must get one when I visit. There's a Colville. Don't know if they're still there or not. Check the postcode. Merlin was obviously a handheld toy that you pressed the buttons on here to select a different game. And you had obviously 3 in a row, like a Connect, yeah, like an Noughts and Crosses sort of game. Music machines to play your own tunes. Echo, I think, was more like a Simon, where you copied the patterns that the Merlin would put out in front of you. Blackjack 13, I think that was obviously, instead of being 21 blackjack, it was 13 cards. Magic Square, I'm not fully sure. I think it was a pattern, you had to like a lights out sort of game. Secret Numbers, maybe a Mastermind sort of game. So let's have a look at this one anyway. A quick jump cut, I'll get the back off this. Right, I've managed to take out both the screws. There's only one here, one here. Take the back off, just slides out just to get out of the way. Right, there's a little clip at the top of here as well, so you at the bottom just need to be careful of those taking off and peel away because the 2 power cables are there. You don't break these, and this is 1979 electronics, so I'm sure something is probably about to break. Right, speaker up here, sponge holding that is packing onto here. There's yeah, not even there anymore. Right, let's have a look here. Okay, I'll lift that over to there. Not really bad blackening in there for some reason. Don't know. That's not in bad condition, that, apart from, yeah, that's better. The plastic bit wasn't perfectly aligned. It's not perfectly printed. If you look carefully there, the names aren't in the right place. I'll just trim the edges off a little bit. Get that properly lined up. A bit of cleaning involved there, not much. That's in the way. Right. Remember these bits not being exactly lined up either. But oh, hello. Right, let's take. There's not much to this, is there? Really not. Resistors, a chip, switch, power. I'm going to get this off there. I'm going to try and remove these 2 here without breaking anything. So another crummy jump cut. 1 second. Right, there we go. Nice to get them off. A little bit of tricky trying to get the spring clip out of there, but then back down. Gap in there anyway for the cable to thread back through. It's not too bad. Really not bad condition at all. So out of the way. That I think should free me up to, yeah. Open this up. Right. Where to start? It's a very old board. Everything's flat to it. There's nothing I can majorly see wrong with it. Resistors look fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 13 resistors, a diode. Nothing seems broken. Unless that capacitor is popped on the side, if you can see in there. Let's try and get a light around. I don't know. Looks a little bulged. I might get that replaced. Other than that, all the LEDs, proper 70s LEDs. Maybe they're back on here. Funny feeling something's about to break. This is a dry solder joint. Now, 3-pin with the power. That goes to the battery. Okay. I just jumped 9 volts between these two. It'll switch on. So that's the earth. Yeah. So the middle one's the earth. Bottom one will be the 9 volt. Right. Hopefully, I'll give it a bit of checking, and I'll get back and see what I can find on this one. Anyway, I'm just seeing more for this. Maybe a part 2 for this. I'm going to like and subscribe, share, comment. If you want to, there's a Patreon page. I'd love a donation so I could get some more projects in. Maybe get some better equipment. I mean, granted, the S7 Edge, my first video, is what I actually use for the videos, but I'm finding it an absolutely amazing bit of kit. I mean, there's so much on a phone I don't use. It's just a phone. I mean, I'm not as... Well, there's too much tech on them lately anyway that you just don't realise what's on, but there's such a good editing suite on there. So, I might continue using this. Might be a good option instead of getting with a video camera. But, yep. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.